Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product onto FreshBooks. So this is going to become particularly useful when it comes to setting up those estimates or proposals so that you don't always have to fill out all the information when it comes to pricing or setting the taxes for your product. So you'll see what I mean in just a second, but make sure to follow this step-by-step tutorial in order to learn how to add a product onto your FreshBooks account. So first what we're going to do is go onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here, and then let me actually move myself over. Now, on the left-hand side, you're actually going to scroll all the way down to where it says items and services. So go ahead and click on items and services. Now, on this page, you're going to see a toggle, okay? You're going to see a toggle for items, and then you're going to see a toggle for services. So under services, you'll see that I already have one service created, and under items, I don't have any items created. So on the upper right-hand side, you're going to click on create new, and then click on item. And then this is where you're going to name your item. So we'll name our item, let's say rocks, and then we'll click test. And we'll charge about $10 for these rocks. And for the tax rate, we'll set it to 8%, tax name, Los Angeles. Now you can track the inventory just because items are probably, I might run out of rocks, and then click on save. Now, once you've actually added this item, the reason why it's useful is that if you scroll back up and click on estimates, and then click on create new, and let's go ahead and create an estimate. Now when we add a line, we have our items and services automatically populated. So if I click on rocks, the rate is going to auto populate and the line total is going to auto populate. So with that is actually how to add a product to your FreshBooks account. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.